West.
So if you haven't by now, you're going to have to dig deeper into the wardrobe to get the heavier gear. 34 is our current reading. Airport touched 39 today, so we didn't eclipse 40 degrees. Numbers in terms of our high temperatures today, some 15, 20 degrees below average for this time of year. Now, the wind speeds are starting to come down. That's some good news. Of course, throughout much of the day, we had wind chills in the 20s, and the air mass is very dry, a dew point of 9, a single number. So again, exceptionally cold conditions. 31 at Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, 36 the afternoon high. And as we take a look at numbers at this hour, most of us are in the low 30s. So just a little bit of wind. Most of the wind chills remain in the 20s to around 30. It's been much colder in the mountains today, where there were some single-digit wind chills, and daytime highs struggled to climb into the lower 20s. We've got spillover clouds from lake effect snow showers downwind of the major lakes. A lot of these clouds will start to thin out later tonight, but more significant along the higher ridge tops in terms of accumulating snow. And then, of course, downwind of the major lakes, you can kind of see this big, broad counterclockwise circulation moving out of eastern Canada. The combination of that storm and high pressure across the Tennessee River Valley creating that northwest wind or pressure gradient to keep the wind up. As the low moves farther away and the high moves closer to us, then the wind will begin to subside a bit. So temperatures tonight, with all the ingredients there, will be frigid. It will be our coldest night so far of the fall, upper teens to around 20 in many spots. So after that frigid start in the morning, we've got sunshine, but it's still a cold day. Most of us in the low 40s, a dry Saturday and a great night for college football as the Hokies and Hoos square off. A temperature right around kickoff at 7, right around freezing, and we'll have temperatures pretty much in the upper 20s by the end of fourth quarter. So as we look at the weekend, it's kind of 50-50. Dry Saturday, Sunday, kind of a nuisance event, but an early arrival of this moisture for some of us could present some sleet or a little bit of freezing rain. Otherwise, it's a damp day on Sunday. It's not an all-day rain, but we'll hold on to clouds and temperatures in the low and mid 40s. So here's a snapshot Sunday morning. Clouds in place, some moisture coming in from the west. The ridge tops would be more susceptible of a little bit of that glaze potential. Otherwise, some chilly rain showers, and then those should move away as we head through the rest of the afternoon, but we'll hold on to a lot of clouds. Now, looking ahead, we're going to hone in on Tuesday, which right now will be a first alert weather day because we do expect a larger system to impact the region. Could begin as some morning snow or a wintry mix, and then that could certainly have an impact on the morning commute, and then it change to rain later as the atmosphere begins to slowly warm up. So the front that comes through Sunday stalls, low pressure develops and rides along it ahead toward the coast. So initially some of that across our Commonwealth, our portion of the Commonwealth, would fall as some sleet or freezing rain or some snow, and then change over to rain. A more deeper cold air would support more snow farther north and west. Could that change? Yes, because the low hasn't developed yet. Meanwhile, there's some active weather across the northern plain states. Chicago, Des Moines, those areas going to be under winter storm warnings, taking them through tomorrow. Temperatures tonight in the teens to around 20. It's a frigid start tomorrow morning, kind of a 50-50 weekend. A little nuisance event there on Sunday, but still something to watch. And then Tuesday of next week could be our first real encounter with some winter weather of the season.
Uh-oh, here it comes.